What is up, everybody? My name is Leopold. It is Wednesday, June 21st, I think. It is 11 a.m. We're still at home with Maxwell. Okay, it's day 2 of the vlogs. Yay. I'm gonna take the train for a second day in the row. I've taken the train like maybe 5 times in my whole life. So this is a lot for me. So I'm taking the train today to downtown, and we're gonna go meet some friends for lunch, and then we're gonna go to the beach, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Maxwell, I'm going to the beach for the first time this season. Do you care? I'm so mad because today's the first day of VidCon. Now, obviously, you can tell I'm not at VidCon. Ugh. I'm so mad. I went last year, and I'm positive we're going next year. Dad, we're going next year, okay? I'm so mad that I couldn't go this year. Ah! Cat is 16 minutes late.
No, we said around
Boy.
12.
I'm setting up a security camera, so if they touch the camera, I'll have it on video and then I can sue them. You guys walk so fast. It's so fast. My name is Kat, and I'm here to say meow. No. Boy, the beach is right over. I can literally see the beach.
We know. That's NASA. That's where Claire's.
What?
We just two streets, two things on the beach.
What are you talking about?
Lighthouse. Talking about all the different beaches.
Why?
Because you're a beach.
Guys, there are flags for a reason. Wait, oh, there's a bit. So after literally 25 minutes of consideration, we're not even going to this beach because no one knows why. It's trash. No, it's not. We're going to another beach. Okay, so these girls about to just be like waving at me. Do I know you? Am I right? And they're staring at me, and it's not okay. Roll the clip. Kat, how many miles have we walked? Dog. Okay, I just shot like the best time lapse I've ever made in my life. So world premiere, ready, set, go. You know, 2.6. I'm 2.8.
No, you're 2.6.
Oh. Okay.
Is it on? It's recording. Oh my gosh. Kat, say hi. It's a cat. It's a cat in her natural habitat. Actually, it's not her natural habitat. This is why you don't hit.
So bad at vlogging. Like, I'm gonna review this footage and literally none of it is gonna. And what did you do to my? let's go.
I gotta get
Okay, so it's raining and these girls won't let me go home. I just want to order a Lyft and make my way home.
He's a wuss.
But they're not letting me. So the second it rains a little more,
Do you want my jacket?
No. Okay, so I made it very clear at the beginning of this that I do not like the beach at all. But especially now that it's raining and I just want to get as far away as I can. Ah! Okay, so I'm super tired and hot and uncomfortable. It stopped raining, but I just want to get home. And so I'm just gonna take a Lyft. My camera battery's about to die and I don't want to have to worry about it, so I'm just gonna say goodbye now. Thank you guys so much for watching day 2 of the vlogs. If you like this video, leave a like. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace, bye.